video, Julius Malema loud at Mama Winnie's funeral. Soweto, April 14, 2018, Economic Freedom Fighters, EFF, leader Julius Malema pays tribute to Winnie Madikizela Mandela at her funeral. He called out those who were present at the funeral and who treated her badly when she was alive. Thank you for your opinions and listening our video. Please subscribe our channel for more hot news. If you want to know more about Julius Malema and Winnie Mandela, please search video on our channel. We have all things of them.